mobility, now external internal rotation of problems. Okay, let's do this exercise together. So you see on David, not much, but that's fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring in this position. We also have a bands up here. So what we're doing here, we're going to apply that band to that ankle. You see? And what I want him to do is start doing this, turn and release. Turn and release. And I'm going to help him a little bit, get some more pressure. Yeah. Now you see how struggle he is? I let it go, let him do it. The brain have to do it. You see, I help him out. So
I like it when you help it.
yeah, okay. Yeah, you like it when I'm helping. But I don't want to help him, you see?
Oh, right.
Yeah. That's so what I'm doing here, you see he's trying kind of a little bit, let it go. I help him this way. So I'm going to bring it here, but you slowly really release. So it's pulling, hold, and release. So I am teaching him, try to relax, let it go. So here we go. You can take the ball. So you see, now he's returning this way. Yeah. Help him out. Try to keep this on the floor. More.
It feels good. It feels good.
It's feel good. It's mobilize that and activate a lot of muscle right now. So this is kind of cool exercise. Okay. We switch. Let it go this one. Raise that one. The right one. Here we go. Perfect. Same thing. Up. Working on that. I didn't check it on myself. This one is actually a little bit even worse.
Oh, it's worse.
Yeah. I mean, I don't feel a rotation. Here we go. So what he's doing right now, he do this, that external rotation. When he's go out, the foot is coming up, the hip is turned inside, so internal rotation.
I've always had terrible internal rotation.
That's fine. You keep saying yourself you're gonna keep having this poor internal rotation and external too. So you have to get, you see, he's getting what's going on up here. I want to make sure he's not compensated from the lower back. Come on, I'm holding it. Very good. Perfect. So
it's tough.
It's tough. He said it's tough. That's not supposed to be easy. The aging is not for sissy, man. Rotate. Help him out. Yeah, look at that one. This one is actually more. This one's stronger. I can tell he's very pushing hard, and it's working. Try to keep it in balance. It's coming from your hip. Yeah, you also mobilize that knee. Perfect. That's the one. Okay. Next one. Get that band away. It's another one. So drop this one down. Get this one up. This one is coming more towards the knee. It's under the knee. Now you cross this right in here. You see he's stepping, cross over. And all he's doing this. Loose and pull. Loose and pull. Go ahead, be on your own. Yeah, foot on the ground if you can. Yeah, look at that. You can do this way. Here we go. I can help him. That's it? All right, no worries.
I can't do it.
Yeah. I can't believe it, I can do it.
Wow,
That's
good.
fine. So yeah, you see, he needs to do this exercise. I call that hip down and I help him out. How? With bands. Look at that, how struggle he is. I love when people struggle. Now doing this way, pull down. This is,
Pull down.
yeah. Here we go, look at that. Keep going.
Very good, look.
I know, keep going. I'm gonna.
It's bad.
Okay. Yeah. But it started working. It's not going to go right away. It's not Amazon. You have to work on it. Yeah, everything is so quick right now. I want this. It's boom, by your door. This one, by your door. But that one is still what says let it go. Switch. Let it go. Get this one up. Here we go. Again, he knows what to do. And give me that one. Look at that one. Look at that. This one is...
I worked on it more, and then the left got weak.
Yeah, so why you don't work on your left one?
Because my right was so bad.
All right, but this is the great exercise, and it's a bunch of mobilization. But go to the specialist. He will show you the specific exercise, what to do. He's mobilize your hip, give you that first kick, first that feeling it's working, it's mobilize it, and that's the key. You guys enjoy your day, mobilize your hip. This thing have to move. If it's not moving, you're gonna get your lower back in pain, in trouble. All right, watch our ZARADKA class. It's 7:30, a late time, 4 times a week. We'll see you next time.